First thing I want to do is I want to say thank you to one of the viewers for the pipe. It's really awesome. I'm not exactly sure what it is, so let's get this thing opened up and we will definitely find out. And yes, it's obviously some type of FMF pipe. I'm just not exactly sure which one it is. He bought this pipe a while back and he accidentally ordered 2 of them. So lucky me. Screaming deal on it. So again, I want to say thank you for the thought. Appreciate it. Man, you've got to be kidding me. It's a titanium pipe. And he said I'd be impressed. Hey man, I am thoroughly impressed. Again, thank you so much for the thought. It's even got the plug in. Holy moly, look at that. Ain't that pretty? Wow. Again, thank you. I appreciate the help, brother. Here's what's in this little plastic bag. Instructions, stickers, and a collar of some kind, maybe. And of course, the spark arrestor, which I will be installing because I'm going to be on Forest Service land a lot. Oh, the dreaded clip from hell. I hate these things. So, I made this tool right here out of 6011 welding rod. I'll do another video and show you guys how to do that. It really helps a lot to have this little tool right here to get the spring for the exhaust off and on, especially for the front. You just pull. You may have to use a little bit of force. Comes right off. It beats pliers, that's for damn sure. Next is the can. You'll use an 8mm socket with extension. Go ahead and get them loosened up. Then my old trick, use the extension as a screwdriver handle, which I do have by now, which I'm sure you've seen in the last videos. I was just too lazy to go find it. You know, you be real careful with these little washer spacers. You don't want to lose them. There's 2 of them, one on each one of these fasteners for the pipe. Just be sure to put them somewhere safe out of the way where you can't lose them. Next, the fun part. Now, it might take some effort depending on how long the pipe's been on here. Give it a slight pull, twist it, pull it, jiggle it back and forth, and it should come off. If you have to, well, hit it. Don't lose this spring. Put it somewhere safe. Now to fit the new one. And it seems a little loose, so let's go ahead and see if we can't get that collar on here. Now, if you look at the collar, see the little raised flange? That's going to go up inside the pipe so it bottoms out and is flush around this little lip. See that right there? Give it a good little smack to get it in there. The same thing as before. You might need to jiggle it, twist it to get it to go on there. It should go on fairly easy. Now you're going to go ahead and put your top fasteners back in with those special spacers. Do not tighten these down all the way. Leave them loose because there is about a 1/16 to about an 1/8 inch play that the pipe can slide back and forth. So you want to wait to tighten them up until you get the spring on, which is what we'll do next. Again, the trusty little homemade tool works great. You may have to use leverage on the peg to be able to stretch the spring enough like I do right here. Could you imagine doing that with pliers? Now you'll go ahead and use your 8mm socket again and tighten these bad boys down. You just want to snug them up. You don't want to torque them down too tight. You don't want to damage the threads in the subframe. What a definite improvement over stock. Okay, grab your spark arrestor. You can go ahead and slide it on in just like that. You're going to get it nice and flush. Now this clip, you want to open it up and you want to get it in the channel inside the pipe. And what you'll do is you will rotate your pick counterclockwise like this when it's inside the washer, and what that does is it basically threads it kind of like a spring so that the clip actually ends up turning inside of the notch that's in the pipe to hold that in. And then when you remove it, you just turn it and unscrew it the other way. So you would go clockwise to remove it. The directions say counterclockwise, clockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise, but they're screwed up. So anyway, there you have it. And it shouldn't come out. I cannot wait to get this bad boy fired up. Again, thank you for watching. Be sure to hit that sub button, the bell for updates for the next video on the KTM XC build. Again, thank you.